back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious salmon with zucchini that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious salmon with zucchinis, these are the ingredients. I have pink Himalaya salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, vegetable oil, unsalted butter, half an onion, half a bell pepper, 2 garlic cloves, 2 zucchinis, and of course, the star, the salmon. Let's prepare this amazing and delicious recipe together with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. I want to start first with the vegetables. I have the onion and I'm only using half an onion that I'm going to cut in little squares. I have half a bell pepper. I want all the ingredients almost to be the same size, bite sizes. Look at this. Of course, look at this, the pieces, the onion, the bell pepper, and here I have the zucchini. I am using 2 zucchinis that I'm going to slice in the middle and then make 4 pieces out of 1 and then start cubing it just like that. You want to make sure that all your ingredients are almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. This dish is a very healthy and delicious, easy to prepare, very few ingredients, but I am sure you're going to love it. Look at this. This is what takes a longer time preparing all your veggies, that I am sure you're going to love this dish. Here at home, my kids really love zucchini, so we really enjoy this amazing recipe. Once you have everything here, I am going to transfer it to a plate. I'm going to continue with my 2 garlic cloves that I'm going to press, and then I'm going to dice in very small little pieces. I want the garlic to really release all the delicious and amazing flavor. Okay, let me put it in the plate. And now, of course, I have the main ingredient, the salmon. I have 3 pieces of salmon. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And remember, I am going to add salt to this. Salt is to taste. So I'm just adding a little pinch of salt. I am going to flip the little pieces. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You always want to make sure that your salmon is completely covered with your spices. And just remember, the salt is to taste. Once you add your spices, then just rub them in. You want to make sure that the salmon is completely coated with these delicious flavors. And now we are going to start cubing our salmon. I'm going to cut it through the center, and I'm going to try for all the pieces to be almost the same size. Bite-sized pieces. Look at this. Like I said, this is a very delicious and easy recipe that I know you guys are going to continue enjoying with your beautiful family. Well, here, let me show you. I have everything nice and cubed. All the ingredients, they are ready to go. And of course, let's go to the stove. On the stove, I have a pan getting nice and hot. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm going to cover the bottom. Now I'm ready to add the salmon. I'm going to pull it apart. I want the salmon to get nice and crispy. My heat is high heat. I have it separated, each one. And of course, after a couple minutes, I am going to flip each one. You want them nice and crispy. You know that the salmon doesn't take too long to cook. So I'm going to really get it nice and crispy from both sides. Once you have them nice and crispy from both sides, look at this. The aroma of the salmon is amazing. It has invaded my kitchen. Now I am ready to remove my salmon. All those flavors are on the bottom of this pan. I'm going to remove it, and in the same pan, I'm not going to add any extra oils. I'm going to remove the salmon and I'm going to add the veggies, the onion, the bell pepper, and the zucchini. I'm going to reserve the garlic towards the end. The pan is still in high heat. I'm going to add some black pepper, salt to taste. And after 2-3 minutes, I am going to flip all my zucchinis. But I want to show you how this looks. Remember, they are absorbing all those amazing flavors of the salmon. I am going to move it around, making sure that everything is coated with the amazing dripping of the salmon. I'm going to make a space in the center. I'm going to add the diced garlic in the center. And I am going to add the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I love using unsalted butter because you have control of how much salt you are adding to your amazing dishes. Look at this. When the butter dissolves and you could really smell the aroma of the garlic, then you are ready to incorporate everything, making sure that the zucchini is covered with the delicious and amazing flavor of the garlic. And now I am ready. I am ready to start laying my salmon cubes right on the top. Once you add everything in here, turn off the stove and you are ready to enjoy. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious recipe. If you liked and loved this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Be part of Cooking with Gloria. And I am ready to prepare the presentation dish. Look at this. Enjoy it just like that. Or you could add some steamed rice or even pasta. You decide. But I am going to enjoy it just like this. Really healthy and delicious recipe. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing recipe. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of the chili flakes on the top. My home smells amazing and I want to get a little bit of everything. Look at this. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The salmon is so crispy. The zucchini is still al dente. This is just an amazing and delicious recipe. Delicious and healthy recipe. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love.
Thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.